Hi friends, welcome to Krakows video series. Today I am here with a new interesting topic, that is national parks of our country. Today I have pointed all the national parks in a map, and I am going to explain you every national park state-wise, and I am also going to give you some short tricks so that you can remember the national parks very easily. First, let's see with the South Indian states. First, let's locate the national parks that are in Kerala. There are 6 national parks in Kerala. The first one is Periyar National Park. Periyar National Park is located in Tekadi, Idukki district. It is a wildlife sanctuary. It is notable as both elephant reserve and also tiger reserve. Next one, Eravikulam National Park. Eravikulam National Park is located in Idukki district of Munnar. A unique aspect of this national park is the blooming of Neelakurinji, a plant that blooms every 12 years and make the whole forest a deep shade of blue. Neelakurinji plant. Neelam is blue color. The next one is Anaimudi Shola National Park. Anaimudi Shola National Park is also located in Idukki district. Its rich wildlife includes elephant, tiger, panther, Indian bison and all the animals. The next one is Mathikettan Shola National Park. It is located in Devikulam Taluk, Idukki district. Devikulam Taluk is a place. The famous species here are Nilgiri marten and Nilgiri wood pigeon, Nilgiri langur and Nilgiri flycatcher. It is totally all the blue in this national park. The next national park is Mathikettan Shola National Park. It is located in Pupara village of Idukki district. Elephants are the famous animal in this park. The next one is Pampadum Shola National Park. It is located in Devikulam Taluk, Idukki district, and the famous species here are all the Nilgiri species like Nilgiri marten, Nilgiri wood pigeon, Nilgiri langur and Nilgiri flycatcher. The next one is Periyar National Park. Periyar National Park is located in Tekadi, Idukki district, and it is a wildlife sanctuary, and it is notable both as elephant reserve and also tiger reserve. The last one in Kerala is Silent Valley National Park. This park is located in Palakkad district. And British named the area Silent Valley because of the perceived absence of noisy cicadas. These are a group of insects. So there are 6 national parks in Kerala. I want to tell you a small trick which will be helpful for you. Like, remember the sentence, Kerala ke maps लेफ्ट साइड पे है. So here we have the key letters M, A, P, S and P, where M is Mathiketan, A is Anamudi, P is Periyar, S is Silent Valley, and another P is Pampadum, and E is Eravikulam. I hope this will be useful for you. Let's look into the next state. The next state is Karnataka. We have 5 national parks in Karnataka. First one is Anshi National Park. It is located in Uttara Kannada district. At a place called Kortalli. Tiger, leopard, black panther, bear and elephant are the famous animals here. The next one is Bannerghatta National Park. Bannerghatta National Park is located in Bangalore urban. It is located in Bangalore city. The biological park is a zoological reserve named after YML Sharma, conservator of forests of Karnataka. YML Sharma. Who petitioned for the creation of the park. Therefore, it was named after his name, and it shelters mammals such as Indian tigers, including white tigers and also lions. The next one is Kudremukh National Park. It is located in Chikmagalur. At a place called as Kalkodu. Kudremukh National Park houses variety of wildlife such as tiger, leopard, wild dog, Malabar giant squirrel, common langur and sloth bear, etc. And it is located in a beautiful place, that is Chikmagalur. Next one is Nagarhole National Park. It is also called as Nagarhole Rajiv Gandhi National Park. It is located in Kodagu district. It was established in the year 1955 and made into a national park in 1988 as national park. Nagarhole National Park is also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park. The park is currently being considered by UNESCO for selection as a World Heritage Site. It is also known as Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. The next one is Bandipur National Park. Bandipur National Park is located 80 kilometers south of Mysore. It was established in the year 1974 as a tiger reserve under Project Tiger, and it is a national park located in the Indian state of Karnataka, which is the state with second highest tiger population in India. So these are the 5 national parks in Karnataka. I have created a small trick which so that you can remember easily. That is A and B square are not known. We use such sentences in mathematical equations, no? Yeah. Remember like this, A and B square are not known. Here A is Anshi National Park. B square means we have 2 B's. One B is Bandipur National Park and the other one is Bannerghatta. And not known, you take the first 2 letters of not and known N is Nagarhole National Park and K is Kudremukh National Park. Hope this is useful for you. Let's look at the next state. We are seeing Maharashtra. Maharashtra has 6 national parks. First one is Chandoli National Park. Chandoli National Park is located in Mandur place of Maharashtra. It is one of India's largest national parks spread over 4 districts of Maharashtra, that is Sangli, Satara, Kolhapur and Ratnagiri. The area of forest is mostly bigger than a region of Sangli district, and this park is famous for Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, rare species of plants and animals. The next national park is Navegaon National Park. Navegaon National Park is located in Gondia place, and it has so many migratory birds which visit this park every winter and unwind by a lake, and it is having a good eye-catching lake view. And the next national park is Pench National Park. Pench National Park is also known as Pench Jawaharlal Nehru National Park. It is located in Nagpur district. Pench National Park is known for its wildlife, flora and fauna. You can spot the Royal Bengal tiger and leopard here. The next one is Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Sanjay Gandhi National Park is also called as Sanjay Gandhi Borivali National Park. It is located in Thane. The forest cover in the park helps to provide ideal habitat for many wild animals like cheetal and bonnet mask are some of the wild animals spotted inside this park. The next national park is Tadoba National Park. It is located in Chandrapur district. It is Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park. The next national park is Gugamal National Park. It is located in Amravati district. Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, sloth bear are the important animals we can see in this national park. Let's see the next state. The next state is Tamil Nadu. We have 5 national parks in Tamil Nadu. The first one is Gindi National Park. Gindi National Park is located in Chennai. Blackbuck, cheetal, jackal and a variety of birds are famous in this national park. Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park is located in Thoothukudi. The Gulf of Mannar endowed with 3 distinct coastal ecosystems, namely coral reef, seagrass bed and mangroves. Coral reef, seagrass bed and mangroves. It is considered one of the world's richest region from a marine biodiversity perspective, known for its unique biological wealth and a storehouse of marine diversity. The next national park is Annamalai Tiger Reserve. It is also called as Indira Gandhi Annamalai Tiger Reserve National Park, that is Indira Gandhi Annamalai National Park. It is located in Tirupur place of Tamil Nadu. Mudumalai Tiger Reserve is the next national park. It is located in Nilgiris. The protected area is the home to several endangered and vulnerable species including Indian elephant, Bengal tigers, and there are at least 266 species of the birds in the sanctuary, including critically endangered Indian white-rumped vulture. Indian white-rumped rumped vulture. Next one is Mukurti National Park. Mukurti National Park is also located in Nilgiris. It is home to an array of endangered wildlife including Royal Bengal and Asian elephant. These are the 5 national parks of Tamil Nadu. I have created a small trick so that you can learn this easily. The trick is a small sentence in Hindi, that is Gindi or Gandhi ने गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार में मलाई खाके मुकुर्ती गए थे. Here Gindi is Gindi National Park and Gandhi is Indira Gandhi National Park, that is Indira Gandhi Annamalai National Park, Gulf of Mannar National Park, and Malay is Mudumalai National Park, Mukurti is Mukurti National Park. So remember this sentence so that you can remember all the national parks located in Tamil Nadu very easily. Hope this is helpful for you. Let's look at the next state. The next state is Telangana. We have 3 national parks in Telangana. First one is Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park. It is located in Hyderabad. The second one is Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park. It is also located in Hyderabad city. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park. And the third one is Mrugavani National Park. It is located in Hyderabad, Chilkur place. It is a home to 600 different type of plant life. The park is a home to around 350 spotted deers. The next state we are going to locate is, these are the national parks located in south states of India, and let's look at to the north states of India now. The last national park that we are going to locate in South India is Mullim National Park. It is located in South Goa. It was established in the year 1978. The area covered by the sanctuary is heavily forested and contains pristine vegetation known as West Coast Tropical Evergreen Forests. Let us now look into the national parks that are located in North Indian state. First, let's look the national parks that are located in Haryana. First one is Kalesar National Park. Kalesar National Park is located in Yamunanagar district. Kalesar is a popular destination for leopards, panthers, elephants, red jungle fowl and bird watching. The next one is Sultanpur National Park. Sultanpur National Park is located in Gurgaon. Sultanpur National Park is also known as Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary. It is a bird paradise for bird watchers, and this park is famous for its migratory as well as resident birds. These are the 2 national parks that are located in Haryana. I have created a small trick to remember these 2 national parks. That is हरियाणा के सुल्तानपुर गांव में कलश बहुत सस्ते में मिलता है, बहुत सस्ता में मिलता है. Here, if you remember this statement, you can know this statement is regarding Haryana state, and Sultanpur is Sultanpur National Park, and from Kalash word you can derive Kalesar National Park. Just remember the sentences so that you can easily remember the name of national parks, so that it will be very much useful for your exams. Let's see the next state. The next state is Himachal Pradesh. First one is Great Himalayan National Park. The Great Himalayan National Park is located in Kullu region. The Great Himalayan National Park is the habitat for the largest known population of Western Tragopan. Which is an endangered species of pheasants. And the next national park in Himachal Pradesh is Indarkilla National Park. It is also located in Kullu region. Indarkilla National Park, which is located in Himachal Pradesh, is well known for being a habitat to the most significant species of animals like tigers. Here is the Indarkilla National Park near to Manali. And the next national park is Khirganga National Park. Khirganga National Park is also located in Kullu region. It is famous for wild bears. It is located here. It is famous for wild bears. The next national park is Pin Valley National Park. Pin Valley National Park is located in Kaza Valley. This park is specially renowned for the protection of endangered snow leopard. The next national park in Himachal Pradesh is Simbalbara National Park. It is located in Daula Kuan place. Simbalbara National Park is famous for its unique and diverse wildlife and bird species. So these are the 5 national parks located in Himachal Pradesh. I have created a small trick to remember these national parks. That is Simba, Ganga and Indar ने ग्रेट हिमालयन में ग्रेट हिमालयन के एक शॉप में पिन्स खरीद के आए थे. पिन्स खरीदने गए थे. Here Simba is Simbalbara National Park and Ganga is Khirganga National Park and Indar is Indarkilla National Park and Great Himalayan is Great Himalayan National Park and Pins is Pin Valley National Park. I think this will be useful for you to remember easily. Let's look at the next national park. The next state we are going to look is Jammu and Kashmir. First one is Kishtwar National Park. Kishtwar National Park is located in Kishtwar district. The national park in Kishtwar attracts wildlife lovers with its rich flora and fauna, which comprises musk deer and Himalayan brown bear. Musk deer and Himalayan brown bear. The next national park is Dachigam National Park. Dachigam National Park is located in Srinagar. The park is best known as the home of Hungal or Kashmir stag. Hungal or Kashmir stag. Please don't mind if the pronunciation is wrong. The next one is Betla National Park. The next one is Hemis National Park. This is also located in Jammu and Kashmir. And the other one is Salim Ali National Park. Do not always confuse with Salim Ali National Park and Bird Sanctuary. Bird Sanctuary is in Goa and National Park is in Jammu and Kashmir. The park is named after the famous ornithologist Dr. Salim Ali. The park is famous for its avian fauna. To remember the national parks in Jammu and Kashmir, there is a small trick, that is Jammu ki हेमा ने सलीम को किश्तवाड़ लेकर दक्षिण के मदद से मार डाला. Here, this sentence represents that we are talking about Jammu and Kashmir, and Hema here, from this Hema we can know that there is a park called Hemis, and Salim is for Salim Ali National Park, Kishtwar is for Kishtwar National Park, and from Dakshit word we can derive Dachigam. It is similar to listen so that we can remember easily. It's not like something fact or anything. It's just to remember. It's just for remembrance and examination. Dachigam. Hope this is useful for you. Let's look at the next state. The next state is Jharkhand. There are two national parks in Jharkhand. One is Betla National Park. Betla National Park is located in Latehar district. Betla is an acronym of the word bison, elephant and tiger. These are the famous animals located in this national park. The other one is Hazaribagh National Park. Many species of birds are found in this national park. To remember this both national parks that they are located in Jharkhand state, Jharkhand ka हजारीबाग में मेरा बेटा रहता है. Here, this sentence represents that we are talking about Jharkhand, and Hazaribagh represents that there is a national park named as Hazaribagh, and from beta word we can derive it as Betla. Just add an L to it. That's it. So that we can remember it easily. The next state is Uttar Pradesh. The important national park in Uttar Pradesh is Dudhwa National Park. It is located in Lakhimpur district. The major attractions of Dudhwa National Park are tigers and swamp deer. Billy Arjun Singh successfully handed rare and reintroduced zoo-born tigers and leopards into the wilds of Dudhwa. This is the only important national park in Uttar Pradesh. We can just remember this like Uttar Pradesh में दूध ज़्यादा मिलता है. If you remember like this, no, from the word दूध, you can derive it as Dudhwa. The next state we are going to see is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is also called as Dev Bhumi. Just remember this in case in any exam if they ask. And There are so many national parks in Uttarakhand. The first one is Jim Corbett National Park. It is located in Nainital district. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India and was established in the year 1936. This is the most important statement which you might get in exams, that this is the oldest national park in India. It was established in 1936 as Hailey National Park. First it was established as Hailey National Park. It is located in Nainital district and Pauri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand and was named after the hunter and naturalist Jim Corbett. The next national park is Gangotri National Park. Gangotri National Park is located in Uttar Kashi. The birds and animals usually found in Gangotri National Park are bulbul, doves and Himalayan barbet, ibex, praket, etc. The next national park is Govind National Park. Govind National Park is also located in Uttar Kashi. Fauna in this area include the black bear, the brown bear, common leopard, golden eagle, etc. This is also called as Govind Pashu Vihar National Park. The next one is Nanda Devi National Park. It is located in Chamoli district. The entire park lies at an elevation of more than 3,500 meters above the sea level. The national park was inscribed a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1988. It was later expanded and renamed as Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park. And the next national park is Rajaji National Park. Rajaji National Park is located in Haridwar. Rajaji National Park is predominantly formed from dense green jungles, and this environment forms a habitat for a number of animals. The park is at northwestern limit of distribution for both elephants and tigers in India. The park is most renowned for elephants. The next one is Valley of Flowers National Park. Valley of Flowers National Park is located in Chamoli. This richly diverse area is also home to rare and endangered animals including Asiatic black bear, snow leopard, musk deer, brown bear, red fox and blue sheep. So now we came to know that there are so many national parks in Uttarakhand. I have formed a small trick to remember all these national parks. That is Uttarakhand ke Govind Raja or Nanda Devi, रोज जिम जाते हैं और जाना शुरू किया, whatever. This statement tells us that we are talking about Uttarakhand. And Govind Raja, that is Govind here tells us Govind word reminds us of Govind National Park, and Raja reminds us of Rajaji National Park, or Nanda Devi National Park. Here rose is convert this Hindi language to English, that is rose are flowers, so we can deduct it as Valley of Flowers National Park. And Jim, from this Jim, it is not the spelling of Jim, but it is sounding same as Jim, so from this we can derive it as Jim Corbett National Park. These are just we called as the landmarks to remember a route. These are also the words which takes us to the correct answer in our exam. These are the national parks in northern state of India. Let's look at the next state. The next state is Gujarat. national parks in Gujarat. First one is Vansda National Park. Vansda National Park is located in Navsari district. It was established in the year 1979. Animals found in this park include Indian leopard and common palm civet, Hanuman langur and small Indian civet, four-horned antelope and so many animals. And the next national park is Blackbuck National Park. This Blackbuck National Park is also called as Blackbuck Velavadar National Park. Velavadar National Park, located in Bhavnagar. It was established in the year 1976. The next national park is Gir National Park. This is a most repeated question, that where is Gir National Park located? Gir National Park is located in Gujarat, in Junagadh district, Gir Somnath district and Amreli districts of Gujarat. It is a forest and wildlife sanctuary and a home to Asiatic lions. Asiatic lions. You can easily remember this one as Gir means G for Gir and G for Gujarat. And the next national park is Marine National Park, also called as Marine Gulf of Kutch. It lies 10 kilometers away from the east coast of Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu, between Thoothukudi and Dhanushkodi. It consists of 21 small islands and coral reefs in the Gulf of Mannar in the Indian Ocean of Tamil Nadu. The park has high diversity of plants and animals in its marine and shore habitats. These are the national parks in Gujarat. I have created a small trick. It's very easy, that as we like BGM. BGM is like the background music we listen in the movies. So, instead of writing V as WE, I wrote it as V like BGM. So, here V is for Vansda and BGM, B is for Blackbuck, G is for Gir and M is for Marine. Hope this will be useful for you. Let's see the next state. The next state is Rajasthan. We have 5 national parks in Rajasthan. First one is Mukundra Hills National Park. It is located in Hadoti region. Hadoti. Mukundra Hills was declared a tiger reserve in the year 2013. With the portions of wildlife sanctuaries of Kota, Bundi, Jalwar and Chittorgarh. The next one is Desert National Park. This is very easy to remember, because as soon as we hear the word Rajasthan, we always remember of desert. Desert National Park. It is located in Kendrapara area of Rajasthan. It is the greatest attraction of the park is a bird called Great Indian Bustard. Great Indian Bustard. A critically endangered species found only in India. The next one is Keoladeo National Park. Keoladeo National Park is also called as Keoladeo Ghana National Park. It is located in Bharatpur. Keoladeo National Park, located in the state of Rajasthan, is an important wintering ground of Palearctic migratory water flow and is renowned for its large congregation of non-migratory resident breeding birds. The next one is Ranthambore National Park. Ranthambore National Park is located in Savai Madhopur. Savai Madhopur. Ranthambore. Even this you can remember it as R for Rajasthan and R for Ranthambore. This is also asked many times in examinations. Ranthambore National Park is spread over an area of 392 square kilometers, along with its nearby sanctuaries like Mansingh Sanctuary and Kaila Devi Sanctuary. The park is majorly famous for tigers. Next one is Sarsika National Park. This is also called as Sarsika Tiger Reserve. It is located in Alwar region of Rajasthan. Sarsika Tiger Reserve is a tiger reserve in Alwar district in India. It stretches over an area of 881 square kilometers, comprising of scrub thorn, arid forest, dry deciduous forests and grasslands. And I have created a small trick to remember all the national parks that are located in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, we have 5 national parks. No, I have created it as Mrs. DK. Remember, it has a name like Mrs. DK, for which M is Mukundra, R is Ranthambore, and S is Sarsika, D is Desert National Park, and K is Keoladeo Ghana National Park. Hope this will be useful for you. Please do remember this code language kind of sentences so that it will be very much useful for you to revise all your national parks. I advise you to make a note of these sentences and all these national parks state-wise at a place, so that it will be very much useful for you to quick revise before your exam. That's it with the west side of India. Now let's look at central India. First one is, we are going to locate the national parks of Madhya Pradesh. First one is Bandhavgarh National Park. Bandhavgarh National Park is located in Garhpuri of Madhya Pradesh. In 1968, the area got its status of national park. Remember this year. And now it has become one of the preferred parks for tiger safari in India, that includes photographing and tracking tigers in the wild. The park is known to have world's highest density of Bengal tigers. The next one is Mandla Plant Fossils National Park. It is also called as Fossils National Park. It is located in Mandla district, Mandla area. This site is rich in fossils said to be around 60 million years old. And the next one is Pench National Park. Pench National Park is located in Madhya Pradesh. The famous animal in this national park are tigers. Kanha Tiger Reserve. The next one is Kanha Tiger Reserve. Kanha Tiger Reserve is located in Madhya Pradesh, in Mandla region. The Kanha National Park was created on June 1st, 1955 and was made the Kanha Tiger Reserve in the year 1973. The park has a significant population of the Royal Bengal tiger, Indian leopards and sloth bear and Indian wild dog. The next national park is Madhav National Park. Madhav National Park is also located in Manmoni area of Madhya Pradesh. The forest is home to antelopes like Nilgai, Chinkara and Kausinga and deer, including Chintal, Sambar and barking deer. The next national park is Panna National Park. It is located in Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. The next park is Panna National Park. It is located in Chhatarpur area of Madhya Pradesh and it is a home to more than 200 species of birds. Next one is Satpura Tiger Reserve. Satpura Tiger Reserve is located in Damua district of Madhya Pradesh. That's it with the central India. Now we are going to locate the national parks in east side of India. We are going to locate the parks in Arunachal Pradesh first. The first park is Mauling National Park. It is located in Uppar Singh district. Uppar Siang district. It was built in the year 1986. Animals such as takin, goral, Indian leopard, Bengal tiger are living in this area. The next one is Namdapha National Park. It is located in Changlang district of Arunachal Pradesh. It is the only park in world to have 4 feline species of big cat, namely tiger, leopard, snow leopard and clouded leopard. These are the 2 national parks that are located in Arunachal Pradesh. Let's see the next one. Let's see the next national parks located in Assam. Assam has many national parks. The first one is Manas National Park. You can remember this as like a short silly trick, that is last 2 letters are AS and in Assam the first 2 letters are AS. That Manas as Assam. Try to remember like this because it is asked most of the times in the exams. And Manas National Park is located in Buxa region of Assam. This park is known for its rare and endangered endemic wildlife such as Assam roof turtle, golden langur and pygmy hog. Manas is famous for its population of wild water buffalo also. Wild water buffalo. The next one is Kaziranga National Park. This is the most important question always asked in the exam in any of the shifts. If an exam is conducted in 5 slots, in any of the slot, pakka this question will come. Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is located at Golaghat and Nagaon districts of Assam. The sanctuary hosts 2/3 of the world's greatest one-horned rhinos and is a UNESCO World Heritage also. And next one is Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park is located in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia districts, and this national park is ideal for bird watchers and bird photographers. It has so many species of birds and migratory birds also. The next one is Nameri National Park Forest Reserve. Nameri National Park is located in Sonitpur district of Assam. Nameri is the best sighting spot of the endangered bird white-winged duck, which is also the state bird of Assam. So you have to remember this. The famous bird in this national park is white-winged duck, and also it is the state bird of Assam. And the next one is Dehing Patkai National Park. Dehing Patkai National Park is also located in Dibrugarh area. Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary was declared as Dehing Patkai Elephant Reserve under the Project Elephant. These are the national parks in Assam. I have created a small trick so that it will be useful for you to remember that Assam के मानस ने काजी और नाइमिश को ऑरेंज और खोवा खिलाया. This sentence tells us that we are talking about Assam, and Manas is the Manas National Park, and Kazi is Kaziranga National Park, and from Naimish we can derive that it has this Naam as Nameri, and orange like the other national park is there. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, that is Orang National Park. From orange remove E and make it as Orang National Park, and from Kova you can write it as Dibrusai Khowa. By seeing the name you can easily remember. Why? Because nobody is going to ask like where is Dibru National Park or Sai National Park. So I think it will be useful for you to remember. And let's look at the next states. This is the Orang National Park, which is located in Singari Bangali area of Assam, which I forgot to tell you previously. Orang is also known as the mini Kaziranga because of its similar landscape of marshes, streams and grasslands. Like Kaziranga, it is also inhabited by one-horned rhinoceros, and the park has a rich flora and fauna including pygmy hog, elephant with buffalo and tiger. The next national park is Valmiki National Park, that is also called as Valmiki Tiger Reserve. It is located in Bihar. This is the only national park in Bihar. You have to remember this sentence so well, that the only national park that is located in Bihar is Valmiki Tiger Reserve or Valmiki National Park. It is located in West Champaran district. This is the most important question, since there is only one national park in Bihar. You have to remember this. The next state is Meghalaya. We have two national parks in Meghalaya. First one is Balpakram National Park. Balpakram is famous for its forest covered canyon cum gorge and numerous geophysical formations. It is located in Bhagramara area of Meghalaya. The next one is Norkek Ridge National Park. Norkek Ridge National Park is located at West Garo Hills district, and it has a remnant population of the red panda that has generated curiosity across the world. And so we have two national parks in Meghalaya. I have created a short trick that Balwant ki Naukari Meghalaya mein hai. Balwant की नौकरी मेघालय पे है, मेघालय में है. From Balwant we can derive the word Balpakram, and from Naukri we can derive the word Naukrik. These words just en route to the real name of the national park. That's it. The next state we are going to discuss is Mizoram. The first national park that is in Mizoram is Murlen National Park. Murlen National Park. It is located in Champhai area of Mizoram. The forests of Murlen are home to rich variety of flora and fauna. About 15 species of mammals and 150 species of birds are located, have been recorded in this park. The next national park of Mizoram is Phong Pui National Park. It is located in Longklai district. It is famous for its exotic species of flora and fauna, especially the orchids and orchids that are spread within the valleys surrounding on all the sides. These are the two national parks that are located in Mizoram. I have created a short trick that फागुन ने इस मुरली को मिजोरम से लेके आया. So this after reading this sentence we can know that we are talking about Mizoram. From Fagun we can derive the word Fagun Pai, and from Murli we can derive the word Murlen. I hope this will be useful for you. The next state that we are going to discuss is Nagaland. Intanki National Park is located in Nagaland. It is located in Peren region of Nagaland. It is known to share its semi-evergreen and deciduous forests of Intanki with other rare species like great hornbill, barking deer and sambar. And this is the national park in Nagaland, and I have created a small trick to remember this, that it is present in Nagaland as Nagesh बहुत नौटंकी करता है. From here we can understand that from this word Nagesh you can remember the word Nagaland, so that it will be like we are talking about Nagaland. And from the word Nautanki, it is like a rhyming word to Intanki. So Intanki National Park is there in Nagaland. I think it will be somewhat difficult for you to remember, but this will be useful for you if you revise every day, and on the exam day it will be very much useful, so that you can remember so fast. The next state we are going to discuss is Odisha. Odisha has two national parks. First one is Bhitarkanika National Park. It is located in Paramanandapur place of Odisha. It hosts many mangrove species and is the second largest mangrove ecosystem in India. And the next one is Similipal National Park. It is located in Banjpur of Odisha. The Similipal National Park derived its name for the abundance of red silk cotton trees growing in the area. I have created a small trick. This is not offense for the people or something. It's just to remember, like Odisha के लोग भीतर से simple है. From this Bhitar word we can enroute to Bhitarkanika National Park, and from this simple word we can enroute to Simlipal National Park. This sentence is just to remember, like it's like a way to go for the real names of the national park. The next state we are going to discuss is Tripura. First one is Clouded Leopard National Park. It is located in Bishalgarh area of Tripura. It is a home to 4 species of primate monkey, including Fires Longer. The second national park is Rajbari National Park. It is also called as Bison National Park. One can expect to come across various wild animals, including world famous Indian gaur, also known as bison. This place is so much famous for bison, that is why we got the name as Bison National Park. The next state is West Bengal. The first national park in West Bengal is Gorumara National Park. First is that the first one we are going to discuss, not like first established, okay, don't mistake anything. It is located in Jalpaiguri place of West Bengal. The great Indian one-horned rhino is the famous animal in this Gorumara National Park. One-horned rhino. And the next one is Jaldapara National Park. It is located in Jalpaiguri area of West Bengal. The protection of great Indian rhinoceros. This national park has been established for the protection of great Indian rhinos. And the next national park is Neora Valley National Park. Neora Valley National Park. It is located in Darjeeling area of West Bengal. It is famous for the virgin forest patch and its unique biodiversity. The national park enjoys the distinction of being situated over one of the oldest reserve forests in India. The next one is Singalila National Park. It is also located in Singalila National Park. It is also located in Darjeeling. Aside from the red panda, Singalila National Park is home to many other fascinating mammals, including barking deer, yellow-throated marten, Himalayan black bear, etc. The next one is Sundarban National Park, the most important national park which is asked in every exam, SSC, banks or whatever exam where we find GK. Sundarban National Park is so much famous for the Sundarban mangroves. Buxa National Park is the next national park in West Bengal. It is located in Northwest Bengal. I have created a small trick to remember all the national parks in West Bengal. That is West Bengal ki Nooran, Pari जैसी सुंदर और घोरी है, वो बॉक्सर भी है और बॉक्सर और सिंगर है. And from this sentence we can know that we are talking about West Bengal state. Here from Nooran we can derive the word Neora Valley, and from Pari we can derive Jaldpara, and from Sundar we can derive Sundarban, and from Ghori we can derive Ghorumara, and from Boxer Buxa, and from Singer Singalia. I hope these tricks are useful for you. These are the most important national parks in our country. I hope this is helpful for you in all your exams. Please do revise these shortcut tricks that will be so much helpful at the last minute of your exam. And if you have any suggestions, you can tell me in the comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment on the video and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.